Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on how to edit your personal address in Mailchimp for 2025. Whether you're moving to a new place or just fixing a typo, keeping your details up to date is super important for smooth email campaigns and accurate communications. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can get it done in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Mailchimp account. Head over to the Mailchimp website, enter your email and password, and click Sign In. Once you're in, look for your profile icon. It's usually in the top right corner, like a little picture or initials. Click on that profile icon, and from the drop-down menu, select Account or Profile Settings. This will take you to a page where you can manage your personal information. Now, scroll down until you find the section labeled Personal Information, or something similar, like Contact Details. In that section, locate your current address. There should be an Edit button next to it. Go ahead and click that. A form will pop up where you can update your street address, city, state, zip code, and even your country if needed. Take a moment to double-check everything for accuracy to avoid any future headaches. After you've made your changes, hit the Save or Update button at the bottom of the form. Mailchimp might take a second to process it, so give it a moment. To confirm everything went smoothly, go back to your profile settings and verify that your new address is showing up correctly. A quick tip: if you encounter any errors, ensure you're using the right account permissions or check for any verification emails from Mailchimp. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully updated your personal address. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.